Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Jira issue templates and workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Jira issue templates and workflows, navigate to your Jira dashboard. Log in to your Jira account using your credentials. From the left-hand menu, select Issues. In the Issues section, locate and click on Workflows. You will see a list of current workflows. Identify the workflow you wish to uninstall. Click on the workflow name to open its details. Check if there are any active issue types associated with the workflow. If active issue types exist, you must remove them before proceeding. Go back to the workflows list and click on Edit. In the Edit mode, look for the Delete option in the top toolbar. Click on Delete to remove the workflow. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Once deleted, return to the main workflows page to verify the removal. Next, navigate to the Templates section from the Issues menu. Here, you will find a list of all current issue templates. Identify the template you wish to uninstall. Click on the template name to access its details. Review any assignments or associations the template may have. If there are associations, remove these first to avoid errors. Once cleared, locate the Delete option for the template. Click on Delete and confirm the deletion when prompted. Check again in the Templates section to ensure the template has been removed. With both the workflow and issue template uninstalled, your Jira setup will now reflect these changes. You can refresh the page to ensure no lingering elements remain. This completes the process for uninstalling Jira issue templates and workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.